All right, so super excited to share with you this negative ion blow dryer. So kind of compare it to the Dyson blow dryer. This thing is amazing. So I just want to let you know, I dried my hair on the lowest speed the entire time, as well as used all the attachments on the lowest speed. And I should say speed and heat level, just to see what it did on the lowest levels, and it did an amazing job. So you have your power right here, you have 3 heat settings, and you have 3 speed settings. So this is your standard blow dryer attachment right here, and then you have 5 additional attachments. You have your kind of big brush comb right here, you have your barrel comb right here, you have your straight attachment. So this is if you want like your super straight look. I didn't do that great doing this with my hair, but this is if you want a super straight kind of sleek look. And then you have your multiple barrels right here. And basically one flows air to the left, one flows air to the right. So depending on what side of your head you're working on, or if you're right or left-handed, this is where this comes into play. This is a wonderful blow dryer. Dried my hair super quick. As you can see from the time I started, my hair was really frizzy. Now it's kind of this soft, sleek look, and it blow dried my hair super fast as well. 3 settings, setting 1, setting 2, setting 3. And even with the 3 temperature settings, it doesn't matter. It's not going to damage your hair. As you can tell, my hair, it looks very healthy, very soft. Love this. Ultimately, you're going to save yourself a ton of time using this blow dryer, this negative ion blow dryer. It's great if you shower in the morning, or even if your hair is dry in the morning, but you wake up with a big old fro like I do. This will make your styling, will cut your styling in half. Forgot to add, the hair styler also comes with a bag to put all the accessories in, and a little heat protectant glove.
Posisi Tractor on the mix.
Kopung posisi. Kopung posisi.